So we're at the very leading edge of the big winter storm that's rolling in. Jack, leave that cat alone. Jack, leave that cat alone. So Cheech just went under the car because Jack was in hot pursuit. And little Charlie is watching Cheech right now. Charlie, hey, Charlie, leave that cat alone. Here comes little metronome tail Bronc. Yeah, little metronome tail. He's so funny. So we got Lua, we got Jack, Cheech. We're all out here just checking things out and double checking our preparations for the incoming storm. Right, Lua? Yeah. So one of the things we had to do was get our water systems ready. And so we have a little water spigot thingy on the north side of the building. So I made sure it was completely covered with an insulated protective thingy, and I put a towel around the actual fitting so that will keep it from freezing up on me. And then I had to bring the hose in yesterday and thaw it out for 2 hours, but we have the hose running. And what I did was I ran it over here, and we have the hose continuously running right now. So while that seems a little wasteful of water, we want to make sure we have water, and if the hose freezes up, we can't water the animals. Plus, that running water also prevents the pipes from freezing where they run under the house. I gotta tell you something, this is gravel, but it is slicker than cat shit right now. And that is some pretty slippery stuff. So as you can see, the water is running off over here. So eventually, if this runs for a day or two, we're gonna have a little ice skating rink here. That's gonna freeze up. And we will have to be careful if we walk over there because it will be a little slippery. But the plan was, and it seems to be working, to let the runoff from the hose find its way over to this drain pipe and then cross the driveway. And that is Gunner. Gunner's a new check-in. He just got here yesterday. Gunner, what's up, buddy? Oh my gosh, it's cold. That wind is really kicking up. Yes, it is. Gunner, what's up, buddy? So we're putting the dogs out for 15 minutes at a time so that they can go do their potty. And I actually see Bronc way over there. Hey, Bronc, what are you doing over there? He said, leave me alone, I'm pooping. And there's Charlie over by the pond. She's got a little lab in her, so she likes the water. And Lou is checking everything out. There's Bronc on the other side of the fence. Hi, Gunner. Oh, you're a good boy. Gunner's beautiful. He's got a brindle coat. He said, I just want to play with Lua. Yeah. Oh, look at Lacey. 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 What you doing, Lacey? Lacey says, I love my friend. I love my friend Lua. Yes, I do. You guys can get some playtime in. We're not going to be out here too long, though, because the tolerance for cold in my bones has decreased with age. Even living in Buffalo didn't thicken my blood too much. Jack, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. So there's one little chore that we have to do this morning. Stay here, Jack. We have to go check on the goats' water because it is very likely to be frozen. So first thing we need is a hammer. Hang on, guys. I'm going to go check on the goats. Oh, this is Thor. So now we have two Thors here. My Thor and this Thor. Oh, I know. I'll let you out in a minute. All right, you guys. Everybody's staying nice and warm in there. So let's go check on the goat water. I'm sure it's frozen over by now. Gunner, don't bark at the goats. Gunner, don't bark at the goats. You guys, quit harassing the goats. Quit harassing the goats. So the goats have their nice little goat house here. And I filled it with pine shavings yesterday, so it's got some bedding. Gunner, I don't trust you. Yeah, I don't trust you. You stay away from these goats. You stay away from the goats. Come on, guys. All right. Now, let's see here. Sure enough, it is frozen over. We're going to break the ice on here so you guys can get a drink. Oh, stop it, Bronk. You'd think Bronk was a killer dog, but he's really not. He says, I wouldn't know what to do with these goats if I got a hold of them. Oh, stop it. Stop it, Bronk. Hi, John. How you doing? Hi, guys. I just broke you some ice so you can get a drink. Come over and get a drink. As you can see, they have a nice little goat house in here. All nice and cozy. They can go in there and cuddle and warm up. Hey, stop it, you guys. Gunner, knock it off. All right, you guys. Quit harassing the goats. All right, come on, guys. It's always the little dogs that make the most noise, you know. All right, and we're walking back over. It is so ugly out here right now. Ice everywhere. So the other day I went to the feed and grain store and I stocked up on bedding and I stuck it in here so it wouldn't get snow on it. So I can change out the bedding or add to it as I need and everything will be cool. All right, you guys. Come on, look out. Look out, I'm coming out. Jack! Quit barking at the goats. Get over here. Come on, Jack. Get your butt over here. Oh, look at Lua. Lua's like, I'm running. She's so funny. All right, you guys. I think we're done. It is cold out here. I've been out here 8 minutes and my fingers are starting to freeze, so I think we'll call it a day.